Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Zemanek, and our question this time is from East St. Louis, Illinois. He writes, I am a Christian, but have always had difficulty accepting God as my Father because of the problems I have with my real dad. How can I fix this? That's a fantastic question, and it shows that you're taking your relationship with God very seriously, and I commend you for that. Also, my heart breaks for you. You're not alone. There are millions of individuals who have a hard time relating to God as Father because of things that their human dad did or did not do in their life. Let me offer you some advice that I offer to everyone that I come across who has this type of difficulty. Number one, be honest with God. Tell him. You just be honest and say, God, I have a hard time accepting you as Father because of the dad I have here on earth. He already knows. So open up a line of communication with God and tell him, I have a problem with you as Father because of the model of a dad that I did or didn't have here on earth. Second, after you're honest with God about this, be open with God about God showing you what a real dad's like. I mean, let's be honest. The reason that you know your dad was not a good dad is because somewhere inside of you there is a blueprint of what a real dad should be like. And your dad didn't meet that blueprint. Where did that blueprint come from? It came not just from societal expectations. It came from the fact that you were created to have a relationship with a real heavenly dad. And God, your heavenly Father, already has implanted in you the expectations you should have for him, the Father. And so be open and say, God, number one, I don't understand how to relate to you this way. I'm scared to relate to you this way. But I'm open to you showing me how I can relate this way. And then third, take your time. I know preachers are supposed to say, hurry up, get it all done. But this is a relationship. It's not a program. Take your time. When you're talking with God, be open as much as you can to understanding him as your Father. And when you run into a problem, be honest with him. But also be open to letting him slowly over the days, months, and years recreate in you a trust for a father-son relationship or father-daughter relationship, depending on your gender. If you'll do these things, God who created you will heal your broken heart, will heal your broken emotions, and will allow you to be the parent you were always intended to be. Well, those are my thoughts. And remember, because of Jesus, life is good today.